Hello friends, welcome to a new episode. My name is Tom and this is Buster. In 10 minutes I will show you how to do a pinstripe, and also I will show you what you will need if you're looking to make extra money. You definitely don't want to miss this episode, so buckle up and let's get going. Let's go! We're diving into a colorful world of pinstriping, and I will show you how to get started with this awesome art form and how you can turn it into a super cool and lucrative side gig. Whether you are a car lover, an artist, or just looking for some flair to your life, this video is just for you. Alright, let's talk tool. Here's what you need to create those sleek, stylish lines. Some pinstriping brush. These bad boys have long bristle for smooth, continuous line. Paint. Enamel paint. They're perfect because they dry hard and shiny. And thinner. For cleaning brushes and thinning the paint just right. Surface prep material. You need some clean cloth, wax, and grease remover to get that perfect clean surface. Masking tape. For guiding your line and protecting the area you don't want the paint get on. Yeah. Font right there, right? Something like that. Right? So to me I glean on that a lot. And some other books that I do. But mainly just practicing. Practice. And when you get better, and you get better. This paint here, you want to shake them real well. Okay, it's very important. You shake them real good. It's the white one as well. You shake them real good. Kind of back and forth, getting that paint working in there. And then as you're going to practice, but you want to get a good load, and you don't want to feel that resistance. If they're resistant to it, just add a little bit, to it, and you can feel. So when you pull it, you feel a nice pull, low resistance, nice pull. I'm gonna get a good load right there, and I'm gonna do a couple over here. Practice on doing your lines, getting the same thickness right there. Pull it down. Right, and you kind of see, okay, if I can pull this, got something to go off. Right, here again, you can pull off here and come in. Nice flow to it. So you can see the different thickness. The more pressure you put onto it, the thicker it's get, and a similar feel you would have on the surface of an automobile because it's clear on there. And then you lift it higher, make the line obviously smaller, thinner. As you get the hang of it, you develop your own style. You can create straight line, wavy line, or even intricate design. just keep practicing and have fun with it. Tattoo right there, pinstripe job that I did a while back. I did the flame all to the outside here as well, you know. Now I'm going to add something to it to finish this, and something special, something about right there. I think I'm going to do a little elephant symbol. Life is much like an art of pinstriping. It requires precision and a steady hand to create a perfect line. Just as a pinstriper trusts this skill, we must trust in a higher power to guide our path. In Proverbs 3:5-6, remind us, trust in the Lord with all of your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. See, like a pinstriper, steady hand, we must rely on God's wisdom to keep our life aligned. In Psalm 109 verses 105 says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path." Just as light helps pinstripers see clearly, God's word provides clarity and direction for us. In pinstriping and in life, a straight line symbolizes integrity and focus. By trusting in God's guidance, we can create life as beautiful and precise as a masterful pinstriper. So let us commit to walking a straight path, trusting in God's wisdom and letting His word guide our step. Now, let's talk about turning this into a sidekick that can earn you some serious cash. There's a huge demand for custom pinstriping, especially among cars and motorcycle enthusiasts. There's some tip and you can get started. Next, we're gonna do a stripe, a white stripe go through here. You want to clean the surface real well. Now let's talk about pricing. You want to set a competitive price. Research what others are charging the area and set a fair competitive price. With some dedication and creativity, pinstriping can be a super fun and rewarding way to make extra money. Plus, you'll be creating arts that people will absolutely love. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on a creative adventure. Thanks for watching and happy pinstriping. Ellie's looking good. Good job, buddy. Well, friends, we did it. Ellie got her tattoo. Check it out. And if you want to see how I got my tattoo, check out these other videos as well. And if you want to see how Ellie got this amazing flame, check out these other tattoos. Other than that,
hit the like and subscribe button, or I get busted to bite your ankles. Have an awesome day. Later.